Reggae Girls Olympic dream is over, and it ended in a climate where all along the JFF technical leadership was hell-bent on not renewing the contract of head coach Lord Donaldson. My maverick question is though, who was the technical leadership of the JFF cheering for? Jamaica or Canada? They know you mean. If Lord Donaldson had carried the girls past Canada and created more history by qualifying for the Olympics, in addition to that glorious and historic run in the World Cup, could the JFF justify not renewing the contract of Coach Donaldson? So what color was the technical leadership wearing? The Jamaican shirt color or the Canadian shirt color? And yet another question, what about the girls in this equation? How would the Reggae Girls react to the JFF getting rid of the coach they requested and got? The same coach who took them to the second round of the World Cup and almost qualified them for the Olympics. How will the girls react if and when the JFF decides to let Coach Donaldson go? Well, Maverick, I'm going to buy some popcorn and soda and watch this one unfold. Buy some popcorn and soda, yes. Buy plenty popcorn and soda.